Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Mopar Jeep Performance Parts A-Pillar Light Mounting Brackets for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. Now, these brackets were designed to mount up to the cowl area of your Wrangler using 4 existing mounting points here. Now, they do provide you with all new hardware to get these mounted up. That also includes standoffs that keep the bracket away from the painted surface of your Jeep, so you don't have to worry about it scratching anything here. And it features a lightly textured black powder coat that really looks great with the rest of the Wrangler. Now, you're going to get 2 of the brackets, one for each side, and they feature multiple different mounting points on here for different auxiliary lights. And they even work with the Mopar Jeep Performance Parts snorkel if you decide to add that on later. Now, if you guys want to pick up a set of Mopar A-Pillar light mounting brackets for your 2018 or newer Jeep Wrangler JL, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions, you can leave those for us below or contact us at any of the options on the screen. And as always, you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.